Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. If you're tech savvy and enjoy problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is podcast editing. With the rise of podcasts, there's a growing demand for editors who can polish audio files. If you enjoy working with sound, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Many podcasters pay $50 to $200 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services to new podcasters or reach out to podcast networks. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is illustration. From book covers to social media posts, there's a growing demand for unique and eye-catching illustrations. If you're creative and love drawing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Procreate. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per illustration depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on developing a unique style and building a portfolio. You can find work on platforms like Behance or by reaching out to authors and businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative career. Fourth is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them run effective ad campaigns. If you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Finally, let's talk about online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and well-organized information. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses that need market analysis. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce store setup, podcast editing, illustration, Facebook, Instagram ads, or online research, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.